Dad and Mom and Samina Bobby. Hi. Oh, hello, Monty. You look so cute. Merry Christmas. You want to fix your hair for me? Yeah. Oh, wow. Lovely. Good. Okay, I love this. And wearing Eastern today.
This is the ham, slow roasted.
Slow roasted ham.
Yes.
It looks good.
Looks wonderful.
Yeah. We are ready to have our Christmas dinner. Family and some friends. Good morning, everyone. I wanted to quickly capture this beautiful snow. This is the first snow of the season. Merry Christmas, everyone. I hope you're all doing wonderful and you had a great time on Christmas. So I am having my green tea, and today we got first snow of the season, so it's just looking very beautiful outside. And my husband and I, we hosted Christmas dinner, and I wanted to make sure I cook myself. So I normally don't cook for events, but I wanted to make sure this year I make little something, just add my personal touch and feed my parents and my family and some friends. So we just had such a good time. Anyways, in today's video I have something very precious to share with you, and that was my baby shower / Christmas present that my husband gave me, and I am so excited about it because that was on my wish list and I had no idea that he bought that, and I was so stunned when he showed me that. And so I won't be able to do an unboxing because I already opened it up, and this is so special. So he got me a Bvlgari Serpenti watch, and it is a dream come true, absolutely. This is the box it came in, and this is like champagne gold color. Bvlgari Roma International warrant, and it has all the codes like reference codes and date of purchase and serial number. Ta-da! So this is what I got, and it's absolutely stunning. I don't know if you can see, but I'm gonna give you guys some close-ups later so you can see exactly what it is. But I'm gonna take this out and show you. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. So this is from their Serpenti collection, and a bold look and glittering diamond trim, quartz moment, rose gold bezel. It was made in Switzerland. It is water resistant and scratch resistant. Also, it has a sapphire crystal with anti-reflective coating, and it has a pink color cabochon cut pink rubellite. The fact that it is two-toned, it's gonna be versatile. You can wear it with so many things, and I'm gonna put it on. So it is their classic Serpenti style, and I think it's really nice because they have 3 and 4 like coils as well, but I this is the one I wanted because it's not too much, but it's still a very statement piece. I just absolutely love it. It's so beautiful, it's feminine, it is classy, and it's timeless and iconic piece. I am just over the moon, so happy. I don't know, I'm just extra happy this year. It was like a special Christmas, and everything that's happening around, everything seems just more special than it has ever been for me. I guess because my baby is coming, and I feel that I don't know, I feel like a rich person already, just thinking that I'm gonna have my baby, and I'll have that opportunity to raise someone and who's gonna be an extension of me and my hubby, and we are just so excited. So yeah, that is that. I wanted to get a nice blanket or like a throw type of thing for my brand new couch that I was so excited about, and I have that. I have this brand new blanket that I ordered from Louis Vuitton, and I want to like quickly open this up with you guys. I want to see how this looks like because I ordered this a week ago and I didn't get a chance to open this up. Yeah, I hope it's good because when I saw this online, I was really interested in buying this. So ta-da, it's a big box. Oh my god. So, wow, this is huge. Okay, so let me open this up. So it is two-toned. You have this color, and then you have, which is like a light color, and then you have a darker shade on the other side. So it's nice and big. Wow, this is beautiful. This is their classic monogram look, of course, of Louis Vuitton, so you can never go wrong with this. I mean, it's a great purchase. You can even put it on your bed or on your couch and just snuggle because it's so cozy and it's very soft. So it is 90% wool and 10% cashmere. Honestly, I wanted this for a long time in my collection, but it's just usually sold out. My SA Haley was able to order this for us. She is just lovely. In King of Prussia, we always go there. So I love the edges, and I love the fact that it's so soft. You can style this in so many different ways. This is such a great touch. I love it. Giving you that bougie vibe. I hope you all have wonderful 2022. Just stay happy, stay healthy, and I will talk to you very soon. Bye.